Hello friends, the Food Rocker here. Today, I'm going to Rodeo 39, a public market here in Stanton, California. It has a lot of pop-up shops and a diverse cast of eateries.
We use a very traditional recipe. We got rice flour, some turmeric, you got some club soda in here.
Look at this baby, Thai green tea with the crystal boba.
The name, Rodeo 39, basically comes from the 39 freeway, also known as Beach Boulevard here in Orange County. So come and join me, my friends. Let's go! The first food I'm gonna try here at Rodeo 39 is the Banh Xeo, known as the Vietnamese Crepe. Banh Xeo Boys was started by two friends, David Pham and Daniel No. It first began as a backyard catering service for the two to make some extra income, but then it slowly grew into a much more successful business. David invites me inside to see how the Banh Xeo is prepared. So let's head to the kitchen and take a look.
We use a very traditional recipe. We got rice flour, some turmeric, you got some club soda in here, some coconut milk, and a couple other things. So we start off with the base of the batter. So we'll go over here. As you can see, the pan is smoking. So we just add a tiny bit of oil. When it's hot, go back over here. Add some fresh white onions.
So you mix this thing yourself?
Yep.
Okay.
Every morning.
So to me, this is like sort of like a homemade kind of a dish.
Yes.
Because, you know, like a traditional homemade kind of a dish.
Traditionally at home, you're gonna see a lot of people buy the premix. So all they have to do is either add water or they add, some coconut milk. So a lot of them from the stores are pre-made. We mix everything ourselves here.
So what they make is not as good as the special recipe that you have here on this crepe, right?
I would say so. The protein is really just cooking and seasoning it before we put it into the Banh Xeo. Sweet, salty, savory, crispy. You get all the lettuce, fresh mint, and cilantro. It's really refreshing.
My first time here, can't wait to try it out.
I ordered this swimming pigs, which means I got the shrimp, the bacon part in here. I'm gonna just put in the bean sprout because that's how it's gonna taste better. You hear that sound? It's so crunchy.
Some fish sauce inside, okay? You see this? And voila, here we go. The crispiness, the crunch, it's like the music in my mouth again. I love it, it's really good.
I believe the Banh Xeo Boys breaks through the cultural barriers and serves a savory crunch of the Banh Xeo, not only to the Vietnamese, but also to the Southern Californians. Crazy Kai is the first and only Laotian BBQ here in Southern California. You can find various barbecue meats and sausages prepared in Laotian spices, and it's usually served with sweet rice and salad.
It's hot, steamy, and sticky too. Try to bite of this. Good. Good. I'm gonna try this meat over here. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna use my hand. Smells so good. We got some of the sweet rice here. I'm gonna go for the rib. Look at this piece, my friend. Look at this, just look at this. Huh? Here I go. tender, it's juicy. Over some sweet rice. Very good. Sausage. Smells so good. I can taste the lemongrass. It's the pork sausage, but it's not very salty. The flavor is just right. I love it.
Shootz is a mix between Hawaiian and Californian cuisine. I'm trying the castle chicken sandwich. They offer comfort food that combine ingredients and flavors you've never tried before.
Hi there, how are you? The thing I love about this one is they have the macaroni cheese on top of the fried chicken. Here I go again. It's a little bit spicy, but the chicken is tender, and the macaroni and cheese, fatty, was the best.
Nandomo is the second child of craft ramen duo Hiro and Nori. It serves as an extension of their widely popular Hironori craft ramen stores that have swept across all of Southern California. If you are in a hurry and you cannot make it to their main location, stop by this place and get a quick fix of ramen.
Wow, look at that. You get a little bit of the pork, the noodle. Looks like some egg. I think they did the egg right. Flavor-wise, it's really good. It's really good.
Besti diverges from other bubble tea locations by offering natural ingredients and sourcing fair trade organic loose leaf tea.
The color is really nice. I ordered this the Thai green tea with the crystal boba. I don't like the regular boba. I ordered the crystal boba. It's much more tasty. So let me shake it a little bit. I'm going to take a dip into this thing right now. Very good. The green tea is not so strong, and the ice basically dilutes a little bit of the drink. That's why it's not so sweet. And the crystal boba, can't go wrong with that. It's really tasty. So refreshing, my friend. Look at this baby. Also good. I remember the time I was in Thailand just last year in Bangkok, and I tried the Thai tea as the flea market. At first I was very scared because I didn't know how sanitary it was at that time. But after I got one cup and tried it out, man, I came back for a second and came back for a third. And this one right here is pretty decent too, especially if it's made in America. The flavor is very traditional, very authentic, And I like the way they have the flour on top of the cup. Look at that.
I'm filled, I'm satisfied, I'm happy, I'm inspired. The food rockers gonna rock right now.